Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Dizo Watch D. Now first up, let's get the unboxing out of the way. Once we open up the box, the first thing inside is the watch itself. I will keep it aside for a moment. Apart from that, you get a couple of things inside the box. First up, you get the magnetic charging cable. After that, you get some boring paperwork, and that's about it for the box contents. I am going to keep everything aside and let's get back to the smartwatch. They've sent out the watch in this classic black color, which is the one I prefer. So yeah, this is it. This is the Dizo Watch D. I am going to go ahead, use it for a couple of days, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, welcome back. So this is it. This is the Dizo Watch D. Now Dizo has been doing an awesome job in the budget smartwatch category. They have a lot of great options available and this one is their latest offering, the Dizo Watch D. Now the main highlighting feature with this smartwatch is the size of that display. The Dizo Watch D comes with the biggest display in its segment. So under 3000 rupees, Dizo Watch D has the biggest display. It's a 1.8 inches 240 by 286 panel. The peak brightness is 550 nits and it's a full touchscreen display. The display size is massive. Like I have tested out a lot of smartwatches under 3000 rupees and by far this one has the biggest display of them. If we talk about the panel quality does not disappoint. It's a bright, colorful and vibrant panel. The viewing angles are great, the colors are really good and outdoor visibility is not an issue with this display. Also the touchscreen is very responsive. I did not notice any major lags whatsoever with the touchscreen. The display is protected by a curved glass as well. The curved glass gives it a very premium and awesome look. All in all, I am very happy with the display. Now, if you talk about the build quality, Dizo has not cheaped out over here. As I said, you get a curved glass up front and you also get a metal frame. The metal frame is highly appreciated over here, especially for the price of this smartwatch. In the budget smartwatch category, brands generally cheap out on the build quality, but Dizo is not doing that. Dizo is giving you really good build quality as well, so I do appreciate that. It also comes with a multi-function physical button, and this button is very clicky and tactile. The button feels really good, no complaints over here whatsoever. Now this smartwatch comes in a bunch of colors, so you can go for the one that you like, but if you ask me, I would definitely prefer the black one because it looks very classy in my opinion. Now if we talk about watch faces, you get over 150 watch faces with this smartwatch. All of them are not pre-installed in this smartwatch. In the watch you'll get like 5 watch faces, but in the Dizo app you'll get over 150 watch faces and you can set whatever you like. There are some great options available out there. Not only that, you can also customize the watch face. So if you want to set a picture of your dog or your partner or something else, then you can definitely do that via the Dizo app. So basically you are sorted in terms of the watch faces. Now the Dizo Watch D is a smartwatch which comes with a lot of smart features. First up, you get fitness tracking. So you get over 110 sports mode and you can track your workouts easily. If you want to track your running, walking, cycling, swimming or anything else, then you can easily do that with the help of this smartwatch. Now these days I've been walking a lot, so I use this smartwatch to track my walks and it was a very seamless experience. So yeah, if you want to track your workouts, you can easily do that. You can track your steps, you can track your heart rate, and basically you can get insights on your workout on how to improve them. This is a very handy feature. Apart from that, you will get all the notifications right on your wrist. So you can go to the Dizo app and customize which apps can send you notification. For example, if you don't want Twitter to send you notification, you can just turn it off. Basically, you can select individual applications and then those applications will send notifications right on your smartwatch. Similarly, you also get music control. You can skip the track, go to the previous track, play or pause, or even change the volume right from your wrist. This is extremely convenient. You can also use this smartwatch as a remote shutter button. So if you want to click a group photo, you can keep your smartphone far away and then click the photo right from your wrist. You also get a bunch of sensors with this smartwatch. First up, you get a heart rate sensor. It will automatically tell your heart rate, and this is also used while you are working out. So it will keep a track of your heart rate. Then there is the SpO2 sensor. We all know how important that is nowadays, so you do get the SpO2 sensor with this smartwatch. Now with this smartwatch, you get a companion app on your smartphone. This app is available on Android as well as iOS. It is called as the Dizo app. You can change its setting, you can update the firmware, and you can also keep a track of all the data that this smartwatch collects. So your sleep data, workout data, heart rate data, everything will be stored inside this application. Companion app is very useful and works like a charm. Now you might be wondering, what about battery life? This smartwatch has a 350 mAh battery and Dizo claims a battery life of up to 14 days. Now in my testing testing period, I was getting somewhere around 8 to 9 days, which is excellent battery life in my opinion. So yeah, basically it will go for 8 to 9 days on a single charge. Talking about charging, you get a magnetic charging cable inside the box itself, and it will take about 2 hours to charge the watch completely. So 2 hours of charge will give you around 8 days of battery life. Now one very impressive point with this smartwatch is that it is 5 ATM water resistant. That means you can easily use it for a swim or while it's raining. You don't have to worry about water damage whatsoever. It is 5 ATM water resistant. To sum it all up, the Dizo Watch D is very impressive, especially with that big display. If you want to buy this smartwatch, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. Now Dizo sent out a couple of units to me. You know what that means. It's giveaway time. So yes, one lucky viewer will get the Dizo Watch D. All you have to do is number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, drop a comment down below with your favorite feature about the smartwatch. And number 3, like this video. After you follow these simple steps, you will be entered in the giveaway. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter because that's where I'll announce the winners. So anyway, that's winner. This was the Dizo Watch D. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.